Waste management and control is a vital element in the construction industry. Every year, millions of pounds are wasted by poor management of materials and resources. This talk covers some important aspects of waste management and control. Waste management and control. The golden rules are: prevent. Avoid producing waste in the first place. Reuse. Use items as many times as possible where safe and appropriate to do so. Recycle. Recycle what you can only after you have reused it. Recover. Send what cannot be recycled for energy recovery to produce energy. Dispose. As a last resort, send the waste to landfill for disposal. Waste comes from many sources, including contaminated ground, road sweeper arisings, excavations, damaged materials, offcuts and leftovers, mortar, concrete, plasterboard, paint, solvents, and so on. Anything not used is classed as waste if you intend to discard it. Minimising waste by following the golden rules takes more effort, but it is good for the environment and the company. Segregating waste into hazardous, non-hazardous and inert types for disposal or recycling maximises opportunities for recovery costs, and penalties can be avoided. Check whether your site is using a site waste management plan. Control measures. Store materials properly and safely to prevent damage before use. Keep significant offcuts for reuse and know the correct place to stockpile and protect materials for reuse. Consider the quantity of material to be used before ordering or opening a pack and use it all before opening a new pack. Reuse materials such as formwork and shuttering where practical. Tell your supervisor about instances in your work where you could reduce waste. Precautions. Do not place materials for reuse in areas where they could be damaged or be contaminated by other materials. Do not use a new length of timber, pipe or cable without checking the reusable stock. Do not dispose of contaminated waste other than in designated areas. Do not overfill skips. If a skip is full, tell your supervisor. Do not mix hazardous, non-hazardous and inert waste together because it prevents recycling and is more costly. Why is it important to segregate waste? What is the site policy for recycling and waste management? What wastes cannot be mixed? What happens to waste when it leaves the site? What should be done with surplus materials and offcuts?